Jessica. Welcome to my channel, or back to my channel. Today I'm doing a Harley Quinn makeup look, which I'm so excited for. Okay, I'm doing a red and black makeup look instead of the red and blue that you see from Suicide Squad, just to try and switch it up and use her traditional like comic book color scheme a bit in this look. So let's jump in. I already have my foundation, base makeup on. It's very simple, no contouring or anything like that. If you want to, go ahead. Just throwing on some very dark, nearly black eyebrows very quickly. Then we will jump straight into putting concealer primer on the eyes for our eyeshadow. I start with the red or pink side of the face. I start with pink eyeshadows to make the shape I want on the upper part of the eye, also for lines that I'm going to be dragging down her cheeks. You don't need to blend it out and make it super perfect unless you want to. She's kind of like a badass running around town, so her makeup is messed up. I put red eyeshadow in the centermost areas of the shape, I don't know what else to call it, of the eye. After I do the red eye, we're gonna move over to the other side of the face and do a black version. I started with a very dark charcoal gray color. It does look very black, but it's not totally black. And then I do the same thing with the red, where we put dark black in the centermost area. And after you get the eyeshadows on, I ended up putting some glitter, like black and red glitter, on the corresponding eyes. You don't have to, you can do what you want. I ended up doing my eyeliner, mascara, eyelashes off of camera because that is hard to do on camera. Now we get to do the fun stuff. I drew a little black heart on my cheek as well, and then we start doing cuts. So I wanted to try and paint some cuts onto her. So I did a forehead cut, a cheek cut, and a neck cut. And I did these with body paints and eyeshadows. So I start with eyeshadows to kind of lay out the shape and where I want the cut and to shade it a little bit, and then I move into body paints. Just mix your body paint, like the red, with like a little bit of brown, something to try and find like a more realistic blood tone. I'm no pro at this, but it's a lot of fun to play with. So just keep building your cuts up until you get the look you're going for. And then I painted in some black stitches after I did all my cuts.
What we do here is go back.
So after the cuts, I end up moving down to my neck area and I start to paint on tattoos. I don't know how else to tell you what they are. Joker in Suicide Squad, he has these tattoos all over him and I thought they were a really cool look. So I thought, hey, why don't we just throw them on Harley Quinn? And I think it's kind of cute. Tip I would give you is set it though, especially on your neck. I find that I move my head around a lot, so it kind of smudged a little bit and I didn't set it just because I wasn't going out or doing anything after the video. But if you are gonna do this and you want to go out, use some powder, even powder eyeshadow, something to just keep it in place. Okie dokie, I think we are done with this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're all doing so well in this crazy, crazy world. Drop a comment down below, give me a like, maybe subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And see you around next time.